Hello, welcome back to Statistics Fix. In this video today I'm going to take a look at the Xbox One Forza Edition controller. Now if you watched that video you will have noticed that the controller was not in very good condition. Yeah. A couple of the buttons were sticking. The thumbsticks, the coating is coming off, so they're very worn down, and also the USB port wasn't working. You had to have the USB cable in a certain way for it to work. So I'm going to address those issues. I do have another Xbox One controller which I'm going to use as a donor. Now this is in really good condition. The casing is really nice. So what I think I'm going to try and do is, obviously I want to keep the Forza faceplate on, but I'm going to use this back portion of this one because this is all nice and clean, and I'm hoping that I can replace the back of this one with this one and it should look a lot better, and I will also address the other issues with it. I also think I might switch out the buttons, the triggers, because these are a little bit scuffed. I mean, I like the silver, but I think it would actually look better in black. So I'll probably repurpose those as well. Just to demonstrate the USB port. So if I put this in here, there's no vibration. But if I... There you go, it vibrated then. Yeah, so it's very hit and miss. Right, how do you take these things apart? For this we're going to need a T9, which is, well, it's a security bit, so it's got a little hole in it. You can see how gross this is. There's like, kind of wish I had gloves on for this. Screws inside require a T6. Oh, this bit's not fun. How'd you get them off? Feels like it's going to break. Aha! There we go. Excellent. Okay, so I've just got the micro USB port under the microscope. Just trying to see why it only works occasionally. Oh, that pin's loose. That pin's loose. That pin's loose. I think that one's okay. Whoa. That pin's not attached at all. Okay, well I think that's the problem with that. So let's just see if we can quickly tack those back on with this soldering iron. Okay, they're solid now. I think that will have solved that issue. Does need a clean though, bit grubby. Alright, I'm just going to take all these bits and give them a bloody good wash. And now I'm going to take this one apart in exactly the same way. Right, so there we have it, all finished, and I think it looks really, really nice. In fact, I'd go so far as to say it looks almost brand new. There's the new back plate on there. I've got the black triggers on. Got the black thumbsticks, which I think look better than the blue ones because we've got the black buttons here as well. I think it looks really, really smart. Let's just test out that USB socket. Yep, every time that works nicely. Let's pop some batteries in and just make sure that it comes on. Okay, so we've got it synced up to the Forza Xbox One. Let's see if it powers it on. Nice. Yeah, that works perfectly. So I'm really, really happy with that. I think I've said that already, but it's come out really nice. So this one's your keeper. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.